On lead guitar, Alexi Salisbury. Backup vocals, Calista Chronic, Tamsin Graham, and Emma Cannon. And on lead vocal tonight for I Go Blind, Barb Aquari and Kylie Biko.
Did you know that there's a light and it's gonna shine right through your eyes? Do you think that life's like every time I look at you, I go blind. Somewhere over there, there's a purpose, there's a care. Because I wanna get higher and higher, higher and oh, because I wanna get higher and higher, higher. Every time I look at you, every time I look at you.
Thank you very much.